Morning, guys. Gonna start out with the Boca Bull baby rat wake bait. Man, that thing looks good in the water. First hook up on the rat. Little tiny guy. Little tiny guy. We'll take him to break the ice. Hook up on the wacky. Oh. We got a fighter here, boy. Woohoo! You don't want to come up. Scrapper, boy, that's a scrapper. Alright, get in the boat. That's a bit better. Alright. Thank you. Another on the wacky. Nothing else is producing, not even a hit. One bass on the rat. Missed another one. Thank you. Yeah, alright. Jointed shad wrap. Oh man. Oh, that's a dark one.
Yeah, I was gonna slow.
It's a cast down, it just wasn't the next one.
Yeah.
Well, he's spitting up minnows. Oh, yeah. Nice little fatty there. Little chode. Nice. Look at him.
Wow, beautiful fish.
Yeah. First cast on the spinner bait.
Is that the one I told you?
Yep.
Look. Oh yeah.
Nice.
So I caught that. I waved.
Alright. There we go. Comes on the Banshee, Strike King Banshee. Comes another one on the Banshee.
What do you got?
Banshee. Banshee. It's a nicer one.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Alright.
Wow.
Another one on the spinner bait.
Nice one.
Oh yeah! Ho-ho! Woohoo!
Little feisty guy.
Yeah. It's because he's used to
Not little, but
being in this current.
I thought he was going to be bigger yet. Nice.
Yeah, this real one.
Got it.
left, left, right, left. Little guy.
There's Josh. Nice to meet you today, Josh. He's fished the Susquehanna. Recently moved to the area, so now he's on the Delaware. Appreciate you stopping by and introducing yourself and saying hi.
Yeah. Well, they're on the wacky. It's funny, the other day when I was out not getting nothing at all, not even a wacky would produce. I always have it in the rotation. Thank you, buddy.
Morning, buddy. Hello.
Another one on the spinner bait. Oh! 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 You gotta be... Dude, that was a pretty decent one right there. He's under the boat.
Need the net?
No, he's just a fighter.
Right. The lady. Inside out. I don't need no help.
Go.
Wacky rig.
Oh, that's a little guy, all right. I'll take him though. There's a future beauty right there. Good looking little smallie. Nicer one. Jointed shad wrap. Oh yeah. Nice. Sweet. A little guy, but I'll take him all day long. Another little guy.